everybody, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year. I hope and pray that you all have had a relaxing New Year's Eve, and now it is 2021. So of course I am coming in today. It is January 1st and I am bringing you the sewing buzz. Now keep in mind, most of this is all from emails across the month of December 2020, and so I'm bringing to you what I saw that had come through. Now I did not honestly expect a lot to come through in December because it's the holidays, everybody's doing their thing, doing other things, but there are quite a few new patterns that came out. And there's some fabric sales, some other fun things that I have to share. Not a whole heck of a lot, but there's quite a few to share. So let me jump right into it. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning in today. For those who are new to the Sewing Buzz, what I do on the first of every month, you will receive a video from me with all the latest sewing buzz from either mostly patterns, fabric, new releases, different things like that, but also from time to time I'll be able to throw in a sewing challenge if one is coming up that I'll be able to talk about in advance, and then also any other type of new releases for DIY, knitting. It could be anything. So this is going to be pretty short, but we are going to jump right into it. So in looking at my notes today, there are several pattern releases. Two of them are free, and so you'll see what those free ones are here shortly. So I am going to move over so you can at least see what pops up over here. I will show pictures and whatnot. And so yeah, so let me go ahead and jump right into it. So the new patterns that came out in December. Now of course, I always preface this with there are more free patterns or new patterns that have come out in the month that maybe I don't talk about, but these were ones that stood out to me. So by all means, there could be others. But of course, the Love Notions Compost robe, they're just nice, and my robe is in serious need of replacement, and I thought this was so cute. And if you saw any of the ambassadors for Love Notions, you see them all over YouTube, you know it just looks comfortable, and I like everybody's little twist, everything they put on their robes, and how they have talked about the robe being so comfortable. What I also like about the robe, it comes with the free head wrap as part of the pattern. So yes, I did pick that one up in December. The Itch to Stitch cozy pajamas. I believe this was your the Sew Your View, which is ran by That's So Monica over there on Instagram, which you must go look at the hashtag, go follow that Instagram page, because you'll see all of the ones that people have made so far. But it's the Cozy Pajamas by Itch to Stitch. Now I thought these were really cute. I'm not into wrap tops for lounging around in or sleeping in, so it's not necessarily something that I don't think, at least at this stage, I would be interested in making, but I thought it was just too cute, and I'm loving, and you know how you see things on Instagram, you'll see somebody make it a certain way and all of a sudden it's like, you know what, I want to make that. But it is such a cute PJ set, and it's nice that Love Notions came out with the robe, and then Itch to Stitch came out with a pajama set. It's like, that is the perfect combination, that if you need that for yourself, or probably maybe gifts for someone also. Another dress that came out is the Lana Dress by Annie Designer Stitch. Now I thought this dress was so elegant. Of course, for some, not for all, but for most, no one is going anywhere to holiday parties and fancy events, but I thought this dress was so pretty, so elegant, and quite frankly, do you really need to have somewhere to go? No. If you want to just make a beautiful dress, just to see how you like it and see how it sews up and try different fabrics. This one particular pattern is for knit. I think it will be fun to make. Now I thought it would be cute for Valentine's Day as well. Little holidays like that that come up, or maybe just next holiday, Christmas, make it up or something like that. But I thought this dress was really elegant. Also, for those who might not be on, her name is Maria at Denmark. She has the Sewing Life magazine, and so she came out with the magazine that includes 2 sweater dresses. So I thought these were I thought these look ultra comfortable. Usually I'm not into sweater dresses, but I thought these looked very comfortable, and I'm still kind of on the fence about getting the one that has the more of the bell sleeves on them. But I thought they looked really nice, very comfortable. I know that's pretty popular, but another reason I probably wouldn't make it, although I like it, is because it doesn't stay cold, like cold enough here where I think I would wear it. But I don't know. I thought they were really cute. And so they come with, I believe it was a subscription, or if you purchased the Sewing Life magazine, then you got these 2 sweater dress patterns as part of that magazine. Style Arc pattern came out with the Petra coat. I thought this was, again, another nice, simple coat. Actually, I thought it would be, depending on the material that you use, the fabric, it would definitely be great for Texas weather. If you're in Florida and stuff like that, where it doesn't get freezing cold like up north and stuff like that, but it gets cool on some days where maybe you just want to just have something quick to put on. I thought this looked like a really nice coat pattern. Now here are 2 free patterns. One is by, so if you're on Marfi mailing list, you know that they just sent out a free pattern for this Maxi stole. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Isn't this gorgeous? Now, quite frankly, you can put this over any type of dress that you make up for the holidays. Valentine's Day, you can still make this for Valentine's Day, Easter, whatever. This beautiful stole. Now I have not looked at the directions or instructions for different fabric types, but I bet you can play with faux fur, maybe shorten it or do something fun with it. But I thought this was so cute, and it goes up to a size 54. So I'll definitely link it down below, but I thought this was so nice as a free pattern. Download it, put it off to the side. Maybe you save it for the holidays next year. But I thought for Valentine's Day, somebody might be interested, or birthday, something to go over their birthday dress or something like that, that they could make. Now here is a free bag pattern. So you know, with the Sewing Buzz, I'm also handbags and wallets, anything I see out there that I thought might be interesting. This is free from Shambhala bags. This is the what is this? Hold on, let me look up the name of this bag. Okay, I had to look it up real quick. It is called the Guadalupe bag pattern. And this is a free pattern. So if you go out to Shambhala's website, of course, I'll leave the link. But for you who are looking to start out with bag making, this is another good one. And if you follow, and I'll put our link down below, Brandy Jackson is the official ambassador for doing sewing tutorials for Shambhala bags. And so Brandy Jackson at Beans Bags and Handcrafts, she has already done the sew along for this bag. So if you are interested in the free bag, to me it looks to be very minimal hardware that you would need. And so yeah, definitely go check out. I'll leave the link to everything down below in the description box. And so go ahead and check that out. That might be something you might want to invest in some time and start learning to make bags. Some of y'all mention it a lot. So with free bags and all of that, and plus also, for those who don't know, I did do a video earlier in 2020 about the top 20 free handbags. And so I'll leave a link to that in the iCards and down below in the description box. So maybe it's not this bag, but maybe you want to try something a little less intimidating. I have given 20 bag patterns that you can go and check out. for trying. And the next thing is a sewing box. A sewing box. This is by, if you follow on Instagram, and I'll leave of course the handle here, and I'll leave the link down in the description box below, by So Wasted. She has a shrug sewing box. So, and hopefully I'm popping up pictures, but she has already put in the box. The project is already prepared. 3 easy steps, she says. Is the once you open the box, it's already marked, it's labeled, and it's pinned. What? But I thought, okay, that's different. That is definitely different. And I was like, okay, for somebody who, and it's convenient, so somebody who just want something quick, maybe you get her sewing box, because I believe it's only offered during the month of January 2021, and I'll leave the link so you'll see all that information below. But for those who sometimes just need a palette cleanser, something quick, don't want to think about anything, don't want to cut anything out, a shrug in the sewing box, and it's already marked, labeled, and pinned for you. How easy is that? That's like a no-brainer. Take your time and just go ahead and whip it up. And if you follow So Wasted, you know she puts a lot of awesome pieces together. I follow her on Facebook. I actually met her in person. What was this? It's been some years, but we both went to the Mimi G conference in Chicago. And so yes, we have met before. Then moving on to magazines and planners. So Sewn magazine, I am so super excited. When I saw the email, I was like, yes, please. They are coming out with a collector's issue, and it is coming out for February 2018, and it is called The Black is Beautiful, and it's the collector's issue. And so you better pre-order now. In her email, it did say that once, you know, all the orders are in and all of that, if you have to order after it's been released and all that, the price will go up on it. So you better go ahead and grab that now so you have it in your arsenal, in your collection. And so yeah, definitely. And yes, I ordered that. And then we have My Daily Threads. Her planner is out for pre-order. Now by the time you see this, hopefully it is still available for pre-order. I will link it down below, but she has come out with 2 new designs. One is for Curvy. She has the Curvy croquis in there, but absolutely beautiful. And who doesn't like Cherie when My Daily Threads, anybody who follow her, she just brings all the glamour and chicness with her makes and things that she put together. Just such a visionary with her projects, and so she always look good, plain and simple. So definitely go check her out. I will leave a link down below, so you can hopefully still have time to grab your planner. Otherwise, she did say she would have to restock. You'll have to wait for the restock later in January. But anyway, I will leave a link down below to that. So now moving on to our pattern and fabric sales. So there are 3 sales I'm going to talk about today. One is StyleArc. They are having a 30% off PDF only patterns. So it's just their PDF patterns. And I believe this started on, I guess we don't celebrate Boxing Day here in the United States, but that sounds like that's a UK, maybe Canada and other places holiday. So I believe that's when this sale started, on their Boxing Day, but it ends today, the day you're seeing this, January 1st. So make sure you go over to StyleArc. Only their PDF patterns are 30% off, and I will definitely leave a link down below. If you follow them on Instagram, you probably know this already, but a reminder, if you were thinking about StyleArc patterns, because some of you saw my Black Friday haul and said you definitely need to check out, get a couple of StyleArc, here is the time. Get your PDF patterns now for 30% off. Then Apple Annie Fabrics, you all know the couple pieces of fabric I have ordered from her, I really love. And she doesn't have a ton of sales, but right now she is having 25% off fabrics until January 6th. So the day you're seeing this is the 1st, so that gives you a few days to go run over to the website, check it out. And but yeah, I can vouch for her knits, and I've gotten some linen from her. Very nice fabric, very high quality fabric. So yes, definitely recommend. And then I just saw this the day I'm recording this. Melonated Fabrics is having a 15% off on all of their fabrics until January 3rd. So once again, today is January 1st when you're seeing this. Melonated Fabrics is having their sale until January 3rd, and you get 15% off. Of course, if you follow them, you already know everything, but yes, for those who might not see that, there you go. And so last but not least is this, I thought, a beautiful beautiful creative DIY project. It's this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful wreath. I thought this was so pretty. Now mind you, I toss my spools. I did for, I don't know why, but I did for a minute just collect them, because I was thinking these got to be good for something. Got to be, you know, as creatives and everything, especially if you do other kind of DIY crafts, you're always thinking, okay, what can I, this can be used for something. What can this be used for? And so I've since thrown them out. But now this wreath that Make a Heart, I believe her first name is Jen, with Make a Heart on Instagram, when she posted this, I was like, yes, yes, and yes. Now I'm gonna be saving my spools, because I thought this was so cute. Now mind you, this was what she did for Christmas, the holidays, but I thought, wouldn't this be cute if it was, because you know, around Valentine's Day they come out with the heart-shaped wreaths. At least I've seen them in my area, Michael's and different places like that, Walmart, or they just have the what is it called, just the wire that's shaped like that, and you can build it up and add things onto it. Wouldn't that be cute for Valentine's Day? so cute. Wouldn't that be cute? And spray paint the, it doesn't have to be green, you can spray paint it any color. You know, look what she did to hers, just beautiful. I thought that is so cute and unique. So yes, I am saving my spools. If you think that's something that you would like, definitely save your spools. I will leave the link to Make a Heart's post down below in the description box, so you can go check it out. I think she either did a blog post or she talked about how she did it. I don't remember exactly, but that just caught my eye, and I thought it was absolutely beautiful. So yes, that is it. That's the Sewing Buzz. Not as long as the other ones, I don't think, but but that is what I have for you January 1st. So again, every 1st of the month, you will get a new Sewing Buzz from me. February Sewing Buzz is going to be spectacular, if I don't say so myself. Wink, wink. And then yeah, so that's it. So stay tuned. I did not talk about what I have on. I have on the Cashmerette Appleton dress wrap. It's the Appleton wrap dress that I'm having that I have on today. But stay tuned for Sunday, because today is Friday. Stay tuned for Sunday and next week Wednesday's video. You will see on Sunday, you'll see my favorite makes from 2020, and you'll also, which I'll talk about what my favorites were, what was my most worn, and the pattern I had sewn the most, which y'all probably already know. Hint. And then Wednesday, I will talk about the projects that was the most challenging for me to sew in 2020. I did think I had a lot, but then yeah, I keep a notebook, and I'll show that in my next video. And I just went through and everything, and I was like, yeah, these gave me some, these were a little rough for me. But anyway, so stay tuned for those two videos coming up. Again, Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you so much, and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you have not subscribed, I offer you that subscription button because it is free. Thumbs up the video on your way out. And yes, we will see you in the next video. Bye.